In today's module, we are going to study about some of the important preparatory methods of the phenols. Phenols can be prepared by various methods. Already you have studied in haloarenes, that is haloalkane and haloarenes topic, the reactions of the haloarenes you have already studied, in which chlorobenzene, bromobenzenes, when they have fused with NaOH or KOH followed by acidification, gives phenols. There you have studied as the chemical reactions of the haloarenes, but in the other words we can make out that phenol can be prepared by the starting material chlorobenzene and bromobenzenes. So one of the starting material taking as a chlorobenzene, we will see how it can be prepared. When chlorobenzene is fused with NaOH at the temperature of 623 Kelvin and 320 atmospheric pressure, we are going to get sodium phenoxide. This sodium phenoxide, when it is treated with dilute acids like HCl or H2SO4, we are going to get the phenols. Let us see in the reaction form. Chlorobenzene, when it is fused with NaOH at the temperature of 623 Kelvin and 300 atmospheric pressure, we are going to get sodium phenoxide, which is further treated with dilute HCl. We are going to get the phenol and the byproduct will be NaCl. The NaCl will be liberated as a byproduct and it will easily get dissolved in the water and can be separated. Second preparatory method, starting from the benzene. In the last year hydrocarbon topics you have studied, when benzene is sulfonated, we are going to get benzene sulfonic acid. That benzene sulfonic acid is one of the starting material for the preparation of the phenols. So start with benzene. When benzene is sulfonated, for the sulfonation we have used highly concentrated H2SO4, that is oleum. We have taken the oleum. Formula is H2S2O7. H2S2O7 is the molecular formula of oleum, and the another name for the oleum is fuming sulfuric acid. When you have sulfonated the benzene with oleum, we are going to get benzene sulfonic acid. This benzene sulfonic acid, when you have heated with molten sodium, we have to take the sodium metal in the form of a liquid, that is melted sodium. When you fuse the melted sodium with benzene sulfonic acid, we are going to get sodium phenoxide. In the last preparatory method you have seen, when you have the sodium phenoxide and you treat with dilute mineral acid like HCl and H2SO4, we are going to get the phenols. So the same method I will continue here. Sodium phenoxide, on acidification we are going to get the phenol as final product. Let us see in the same reaction form, the benzene, when it is sulfonated with oleum, that is H2S2O7 or H2SO4SO3, after sulfonation we are going to get benzene sulfonic acid, that is C6H5SO3H. One of the hydrogen is replaced by SO3H, which is fused with molten sodium or NaOH. I am going to get sodium phenoxide, that is C6H5ONa, sodium phenoxide, where O minus Na plus will be there, a charge, which is further acidified in the presence of dilute HCl or H2SO4. We are going to get the final product as the phenol. Important reaction you have to remember. The preparatory method of the phenols. Now we will move for the third one, that is starting from the diazonium salts. Benzene diazonium chlorides are commonly used for the preparation of the phenols. So when benzene diazonium chloride we have taken, it is hydrolyzed in the presence of water or treating with the dilute mineral acids, we are going to get the phenols directly. Benzene diazonium salts are prepared from the aniline. When aniline is treated with NaNO2 and HCl, we are going to get benzene diazonium salt. The formula of benzene diazonium salt is C6H5N2 plus Cl minus. Let us see in the reaction form. When benzene diazonium chloride, that is C6H5N2 plus Cl minus, is treated with H2O and we have to warm the mixture, we are going to get the phenol. Next and last method is starting from cumene. Very important question for the 3 marks. Many times the question has been asked, write the cumene process of synthesis of phenol. Starting from cumene, we have to synthesize the phenol. So the process follows like this. When cumene is oxidized, the cumene IUPAC name, common name is isopropyl benzene. When isopropyl benzene is oxidized or cumene is oxidized, we are going to get cumene hydroperoxide. Cumene hydroperoxide, when it is treated with dilute acids, the hydrolysis process takes place to give rise to phenol and acetone. Even though here we are studying the cumene process as preparation of phenol, but remember, commercially cumene process is used for the preparation of the acetone. For the competitive purpose, remember 1 mark, cumene process is the commercial method of the preparation of the acetone, not the phenol. So let us see in the reaction form. Isopropyl benzene or cumene, when it is oxidized in the presence of the air, we are going to get cumene hydroperoxide. The formula of the cumene hydroperoxide is C6H5CH3 twice OOH. This cumene hydroperoxide, when it is acidified in the dilute acid mineral acids like HCl and H2SO4, we are going to get phenol along with acetone, that is CH3COCH3. The IUPAC name is propanone, remember. Thank you.